The man who's been on Florida's death row longer than anyone in the state history continues to fight for his freedom today.
Today, attorneys for Tommy Ziegler argued in court he deserves a new hearing on new scientific evidence. He was convicted for killing his wife and 3 others in Winter Garden nearly 50 years ago. WESH 2's Greg Fox was in court for today's arguments.
Mr. Ziegler could not have committed the crimes that he was convicted of.
This needs to end at some point, and today's the day.
The state and defense debated whether convicted killer Tommy Ziegler deserves a new evidentiary hearing, a mini trial of sorts with witnesses and expert testimony. Based on results of DNA testing on clothing, guns, and other evidence from the murders of his wife Eunice, her parents Perry and Virginia Edwards, and Charlie Mays, a customer of Ziegler's Winter Garden furniture store on Christmas Eve 1975.
I've done everything in the world that I could to prove my innocence.
Mr. Ziegler was convicted of 4 murders that he has always contended that he did not commit.
The DNA testing began more than 2.5 years ago when the evidence from Ziegler's trial and all of his appeals from right here in the basement of the courthouse was sent to California for testing. In all, 232 samples were tested, yielding 133 DNA profiles. The state pointed to those results and argued they changed none of the facts that convicted Ziegler.
And he has had the opportunity to test the DNA, and it just doesn't support his theory. And that's why I'm urging this court to summarily reject his claims.
The judge promised a ruling in a few days. Terry Hadley has represented Ziegler for nearly half a century.
You're talking about an innocent man, and we hopefully will have the evidence you're hearing that we can demonstrate that.
Are you able to comment at all, Mr. Scallon?
Nope. While the Assistant Attorney General declined to speak with us, Orange Osceola State Attorney Monique Worrell explained why the new testing doesn't justify a new hearing.
But this case has gone through my conviction integrity unit. It has been reviewed extensively. And the position of those attorneys is that the state attorney's office cannot stand in agreement with Mr. Ziegler with regards to the outcome of that testing.
Ziegler, in failing health and now 80 years old, wonders if he'll live long enough to win his freedom. Covering Orange County, Greg Fox, WESH 2 News.
Ziegler's last-minute appeals kept him from execution twice. If the judge grants an evidentiary hearing, it'll take place the first week of December.